Hi, hello. Welcome to this channel. This is Dr. Lily Florence from Adiyaman College of Engineering. In this video, I am going to show you that how to do Python programming. Python programming is a general purpose programming, and mostly we are using Python programming for data science and data analytics because Python programming has vast of libraries and most of modules are there. It will support all data analytics, graph visualizations, all the features it is providing. So that is why for data science and data analytics, Python programming is widely used. Also, researchers are using Python programming as a simulation tool for visualizing their results as a graph. And Python is an object-oriented programming language. So Python will support OOPS concept. Also, it is an open source and free to download. You can download Python from www.python.org. Two types of versions are there, Python 2 and Python 3. Any versions you can download for your system. And Python is a dynamic typed programming. Dynamic typed is nothing but here there is no type declaration like C and C++ programming. In C and C++ programming, all the variables must be declared before it is referred. But in case of Python programming, there is no declaration. Wherever we want to assign values, we can use variable there. The type of variable will be treated the type of values which has been assigned to it. So that is called dynamic type. And the Python code can be compiled or interpreted. Here the Python code will be interpreted. Python interfaces is an interpreter to interpret Python programming. Here IDLE is an interpreter and it is also act as a Python development environment. IDLE is a default interpreter for Python programming. When you install Python in your system, the IDLE itself will get installed in your system. Other than IDLE, we can use Python Win for Windows and PyCharm, PyDev. These are all mostly used IDE for Python programming. Python can be programmed in two ways. One is in Python shell that is called interactive shell. It is very similar to type of commands in command line. The other way of programming is file mode of programming. The Python shell will be looked like this. This is a prompt. Here we can type your commands. In the later section, I will show you how to type commands in Python shell. In all coming videos, we are going to use IDLE as an interpreter for Python programming. This is the structure of Python shell. In the next coming videos, we are going to write Python programs for this list of exercise. This is a list of exercise for first year BE BTech students. Now we can see how to do Python programming in Python shell and in file mode. See, I am using Python 2 version. So it is installed in C drive. So this is my folder Python 2.7. So here we have a folder called lib. Inside the lib we have IDLE. So when you install your Python, this IDLE library will get installed. You can open IDLE by double click this IDLE. When you installed Python, this IDLE will get added in the start menu. So from start menu also we can open your Python shell. So this is Python prompt. Here we can type our Python commands directly. So it will interpret our commands and give the output here. So all Python coding we can type here. So the output statement is a print statement. So just I am giving here hello, print hello. So it will print this. The input statement is a input. So it will read a number from the user. So it is waiting for user input. I am giving 56 as input. So when you give X, 56 will be printed here. Similarly, I am taking another input Y. So it will wait for user input. I am giving 67. So the value Y will be 60. So now the X and Y value will be in the memory. So when you give X and Y, X plus Y, it will give the, similarly all the operations we can perform directly in the command prompt. These you can save for your future reference also. Inside your Python, just you can give shell 1. So it will be saved as shell1.py. So in future you want to refer this page, you can move on, you can refer it. This is one way of doing Python code in Python shell. The another method is through file mode. So for that you have to open a new window. So just click on file menu, select new file. It will open you a fresh window. Here you can type your Python command. Just I am giving print hello. Save the file Python. Just I am giving here file 11. The file extension is .py, is a Python file. So the default it will added here. Now to run the program, select run file, run option, then select run module here. So it will give you the output for the program file 11. This is the way we can do Python programming in Python shell or in file mode. Hope you are all understand how to start Python programming. The next coming video I am going to show you how to write different programs in Python. Thank you. See you again.